this is how to use the dryer. Okay, so once you're done with washing, so um, the only clothes that you put here are those that are already washed and spin dried. So you cannot put very dripping wet clothes here. You need to spin dry them first before putting them here. But once you use this washing machine below, the entire cycle, it's automatically spin dried. The clothes are automatically spin dried, so you can transfer them right away once it's done to the dryer. So you put the dryer here, I mean your clothes here, and then you pull this up and open this up, get it from there, and then open this one and remove the lint. Okay, remove the lint and then place it gently back. Remove the lint, throw it in the garbage, and then place this gently back, clip it back, place them there, and then you open this one. So you close this and you open this one. So if you think there is water here, you just completely remove this one from the washing machine, and then you just drain out the liquid and then put it back gently. So you're now ready to dry your clothes. So you just turn on this one and you press the play button. Usually it will register register what you call that. Oh, if there's a notice here, clean heat exchange, you just press later by choose later, because I will be doing that once you check out. So you just press later like that. Okay, and then just press play, and then when it runs, it usually will register like 3 hours, but actually it has a detector, so if your clothes are dry, it wouldn't reach 3 hours. Usually just like an hour or more than an hour, but it doesn't reach like 2 hours. Okay,